You ready? Alright. This guy just went from plummy gutters to 4-inch by 3-inch downspouts. Installed them, they're all angled perfectly. See that nice pitch? Look at the side pieces right here, how nice they're done. A lot of people just use these cheap straps they cut out of the metal themselves. We don't do that. And you can see here and here, all this is meant to fit perfectly. I had to do a custom cut to make that look really nice. Really, this tree needs to come down. I wonder if they'll let me just rip it down. You can see all that up there. It's looking good. You got a nice angle on this. All that gutter's underneath the drip head. Like I said, we're going to put the downspout there. It won't be good to go, so. Alright, looking good. What's up, Mike?